Hello everyone, my name is Жанна and today's topic is gender of noun. Let's start. In Russian, all nouns in the singular have genders. It can be masculine, female or neuter. If word have no ending or ends on consonant, it's masculine. Let's see a few examples. Стол, стол, table. Петербург, друг, друг, friend. Чай, чай, tea. Китай, Китай, China. You see that all these words, they have consonant letter at the end. Стол, Петербург, друг, чай, Китай. All of these words belong to the masculine gender. Nouns which have the ending a or ya belongs to the female gender. Let's see a few words. Мама, книга, Россия, неделя, собака. You see, all these words, they have ending a or ending ya. That's why all of them belongs to the female gender. Nouns which ends on o and ye belongs to the neutral gender. Let's see. Окно, окно, window. Озеро, озеро, lake. Место, место, place. Здоровье, здоровье, health. You see that all of these words, they have ending or ye. That's why all of them belongs to the neutral. Let's read one more time. Окно, озеро, место, здоровье. It's neutral. Be especially careful with the words which ends on soft sign. You have to memorize each of these words. When you meet a new word with soft sign, you have to memorize to what gender it belongs. Is it masculine or is it female? But there are some endings which can help you to indicate to which gender these words belong. It works not always, but sometimes it can help you. Okay, let's see on these endings. Masculine endings. Тель, арь. Let's see the words. Писатель, писатель. Writer, писатель. Словарь, словарь. Словарь, dictionary. You see this ending, тель, and you know that it's masculine. Арь, словарь. It's also masculine word. Let's see a few examples for the female endings. Ость, овь, щ, ш, ч, ж. These endings help us to indicate that the word belongs to the female gender. Okay, let's see examples. Новость, новость. It's a piece of news. Новость. In Russian, this word exists in singular. Церковь, церковь, church, церковь. Вещь, вещь, a thing, вещь. Ночь, ночь, night, ночь. Ложь, ложь, lie. Okay. Okay, I prepared this table and let's summarize what we already know about genders of nouns in Russian. First of all, there are three genders: masculine, female and neutral, right? Let's start from the masculine. Masculine – он, he. Female – она, she. Neutral, оно, it. Okay, masculine gender. The words which ends on consonant, they belong to the masculine gender. Stol, stol, letter L, it's a consonant letter, that's why this word belongs to the masculine gender. Stol, table. Y, y. Letter Y, by the way, it's also consonant, but a lot of students, they confuse this letter with letter E. E, it's a vowel letter, and Y, Y, it's a consonant letter. So don't confuse the words which ends on Y, Y, it's a masculine words. Y, for example, Китай, Китай, China. Then the words which ends on тель, тель, for example, писатель, писатель. Писатель means writer. The words which ends on арь, календарь, календарь, calendar. Okay, and the words which ends on soft sign. As example, the word день, day, дождь, rain. Okay, let's see female gender. Female words, they ends on a, as in the word mama, mama, mother, and ending ya, ya. For example, the word неделя, неделя, week. The words which ov at the end, they also belong to the female gender. For example, любовь, любовь. You see, ending ov, it's a female gender. Then ж, ш, ч, sh. It's this ending also help us to indicate that the word belongs to the female gender. As example, you can see here the words ночь, ночь, night, and вещь, вещь, thing. Okay, and soft sign. Soft sign, you should be very careful with this soft sign, because as you remember, this soft sign, it can be both. It can be masculine and female. You have to memorize all the words, all the new words which you meet with the soft sign at the end. But don't worry, on the first stage of the learning Russian language, you don't have to know a lot of these words. Here I gave you the most common of these words, and there are a communicative minimum which have the list of the most common of these words. So if you just started learning Russian, don't worry about this. And if you want to have this list, just use the link under this video, and I will send you this list on your email. Okay, so let's continue. Soft sign. Площадь. Площадь. Square, like red square. Красная площадь. Okay, and обувь. Обувь. It's like shoes, the common meaning. Обувь. Okay, now let's see on the neutral. Neuter, оно, it. These words, the words which belongs to the neutral, they have ending o at the end, like in the word окно, окно, window, or ending е at the end, like in the word море, море, sea. Okay, and now it's time to speak about exceptions. There are few exceptions. For example, there are words which belongs to the masculine gender, but their ending say us that they have to belong to the female gender. Let's see on these words and try to remember them, okay? Мужчина, мужчина. This word ends on a, мужчина. According to the rule, the words which ends on "a", they have to be female words, right? "A". But if you know the translation of this word, of these words, everything became very easy, because мужчина means a man. So a man, it's for sure masculine, right? Мужчина. Papa, papa. The same. Papa means father. Yes? And regardless of the letter "a" at the end, this word belongs to the masculine. Дядя. Ending "ya". "Ya", it's also female ending. But the word дядя means uncle. And this word also belongs to the masculine. Дедушка. Дедушка. Дедушка means grandfather. Also, you for sure know that this word is a masculine. And the only word you have to remember is кофе. Кофе. According to the rule, the word кофе should be neuter, right? Кофе. Yeah, it's a neuter ending, but it's exception, and this word belongs to the masculine too. Кофе. For example, крепкий кофе, strong coffee. And I ask you not to confuse the word кафе, кафе, кафе with the word coffee. Yes, only one letter different. Here we have O, coffee, and here we have A, cafe, cafe. Cafe, it's a place where we drink coffee. Okay, so cafe, with this word, everything according to the rule. Ending "ye", and this word belongs to the neuter. Okay, and there are a few exceptions with neuter. Время, имя. Время, имя. Имя. The word время means time. Yes, and according to the rule, we know that время should be female. Yes, время ends on ending "я". But it is exception. This word belongs to the neuter. Имя, имя also ending "я". "Я", it's a female ending. But be very careful, these two words you have to remember, they belong to the neuter. Время, time, имя, name. Okay, so let's summarize the few most important rules. That masculine words, they have consonant y and soft sign at the end. Female words, they have a, ya, and also soft sign at the end. Neuter words, they have o and ye at the end. There is no sense of learning without practicing, and that's why I prepared this list of words, and your task will be to write in comments the gender of these words. Let's read these words. Молоко, друг, чай, семья, метро, сын, студент, тетя, кофе, река, попугай, аптека. And your task to write the gender of these words, okay? That's all for today. Let me know, do you like these grammar lessons? Do you want more of grammar lessons? And put like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends who are interested in learning Russian. See you!